Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to search on SAM.gov. Let's get into it. Okay, so first you want to come to SAM.gov, then you want to click on search. You don't have to be signed in to search, so you can come in here and select contract opportunities. Once you do that, you can utilize keyword search, so you can type in whatever business you do. So if you do construction, you type in construction, but I highly recommend to not use keyword search because it's not accurate and you're going to miss out on so many opportunities. Then if you know the federal organization or the agency that has a specific government contract that you should apply for, then you can filter by typing their name or their code. So for example, if you know NASA has a government contracting opportunity that is suitable for your business, then you have to filter by NASA. In most cases, you're not going to know the federal organization, so you don't need to utilize this filter. Then you can come to dates. This one is important. You can come here and then choose the deadline. So how much time do you have before you have to submit a bid? So I'd like to give myself some time to be able to read through it, do the research, write a proposal, and so on. So I'm going to give myself a month. Once you select the date, you want to select the following notice types. So you want to come here and select sources sought, pre-solicitation, solicitation, and combined synopsis and solicitation. So you don't want to choose award notices. These are for government contracts that have been awarded, so they're done. So don't waste your time looking through these. So it's very important that you choose all of these, even though sources sought, pre-solicitation, you might ask yourself, why would you choose these? Well, mainly because you want to be early on in the process. You want to be with the agency, developing the kind of solicitation, and then as the further you go into the process, the more likely that they would choose your business because they're familiar with you. You've been with them since the early stage of the process. So then you want to come here and select the product or service information. So NAICS codes, I have a video on NAICS code. Feel free to check it out. It's in the description. NAICS codes are codes that group kind of activities, business activities together. So if you do construction, there's a NAICS code for that. If you do, let's say, hotel management, there's a NAICS code for that. If you do landscaping and so on. So how do you find the NAICS code or NAICS codes that are relevant to your business? I have a free blog that has a list of all businesses with their NAICS codes, so you can find the ones that are relevant to you. Or there's a free NAICS code lookup Chrome extension that you can just type in, for example, your business. So let's say we want construction. Then it displays all kind of construction NAICS codes. So let's say let's choose residential building remodeling. This one is residential remodeling. Let's choose this one. So you copy the code, you come here, you paste it. You can choose multiple, so you can have multiple NAICS codes, but for this time we're just going to choose one. As you can see, now we have 10 results, which is good. Instead of having to go through 50 opportunities, now you're only going through 11. Then you have set aside codes. So these are codes that are set by the government or the agency. It tells you this opportunity is specifically for small businesses. This one is for women-owned businesses. This one is for veterans, so on. If you fall into these categories, it's so important to actually choose this because then your chances are higher because you know that they're looking for you and you're only competing with, for example, if you choose small businesses, you're only competing with small businesses. If you're women-owned business, then you're competing with women-owned businesses and so on. So you have higher chances of winning. Finally, you have place of performance. So if you only operate in a specific city, state, or even a country, you want to come here and choose specifically that city or state or even country. So in this case, let's say we only operate in Texas. So you can scroll all the way right there. So now we're only left with one opportunity. So this way you filter down to only relevant opportunities. That's pretty much it. Now, if you don't want to go through this annoying process, I have a solution for you, SAM Search. SAM Search is an AI app that makes government contracting easy. So with the search feature, what you can do is you can come in here and type in whatever business you operate. So let's say we do renovation. So we want renovation contracts in Texas. Then it shows you all the relevant opportunities with an AI generated summary. So in this case, you can see that the title does not explain much. So the summary here, it shows that the Department of Defense is seeking bids for renovation of building in Houston. So it understood that Houston is in Texas. And then it gives you the estimated contract value, which is between 100,000 and 250. We can look at this one. This one is the Department of Veteran Affairs seeking bids to renovate a space in Texas. and then you're given the deadline. So it makes it way easier to find government contracts. You can talk to it like you talk to a human being. And then if you want to go a step further and make it way easier, all you have to do is you can schedule these searches. So let's say if you want renovation in Texas, then this way it will send you daily, weekly, or monthly emails for any renovation in Dallas opportunities that pop up. So this way you know you're not missing out on anything. And that's pretty much it. Feel free to check it out. You get 7-day free trial. I have the link in the description. And thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Bye.